Hey there, Twitter enthusiasts. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often requested: how to turn off sensitive content settings on Twitter using your iPhone. First, open Chrome, and then search twitter.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Privacy and Safety. Here, you'll find various privacy settings. Look for Content You See. You'll see an option called Display Media that may contain sensitive content. To turn it off, simply tap on the switch. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off sensitive content settings on Twitter using your iPhone. Now, your feed should only display content that's not marked as sensitive. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial on turning off sensitive content settings on Twitter using your iPhone.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.